Norton Paint System comes complete with all the components you need. It's available in 3 sizes, with 3 filter sizes for spraying primer, base coat and lacquer. Norton accessories are also available. Norton adapters are sold separately and fit all spray gun brands. An adapter and gun cleaner is also available. Norton offers a complete range of personal protection equipment for painting. Kit assembly and mixing. Select the cup size you need based on the area being sprayed. Put the ring into the cup and slot it into place. Fit the liner into the ring. Now you're ready to add the paint. Pour the paint into the liner without touching the ring. If it spills, wipe with a clean cloth. Mix the paint using the curved end of the Norton mixing bar. It's specially designed to follow the contour of the liner for an even paint mix. When removing the mixing bar, lift in an upright position and wipe with a clean cloth. Place the lid onto the hard cup. Turn it twice to the left. Listen for the 2 clicks. Then turn back once to the right to lock it in place. Fold down the safety clips and the paint system is airtight and ready to use. Now attach the Norton adapter to your spray gun. The new adapter and actuator have been specially designed to pierce a membrane inside the lid. The intact membrane means you can turn the cup upside down without spilling any paint. Fit the paint cup to the gun. The adapter will perforate the membrane inside the lid, allowing paint to flow through evenly. Fold down the safety clips to lock the cup onto the gun. Take the hard cup off by unlocking the outer clips, leaving the liner attached to the gun. This is the easiest way to spray. Spraying. Spraying without the hard cup lets you clearly see where you're working. The gun is lighter and it's more comfortable to use. An advantage of the Norton Paint System is the vacuum inside the liner. As the paint is sprayed, the liner collapses in a controlled way. This ensures all the paint is used and it's distributed evenly out of the gun. Aftercare and storage. To dismantle the paint system, put the liner back into the hard cup while it's still on the gun and secure the clips. Pull the trigger to remove any paint left inside the gun, then unclip the gun from the cup. Put the cap directly onto the membrane and your spare paint is immediately sealed in. When you've finished, any unused paint can be stored in many different ways for up to 6 months. Norton recommends using the holder provided to store upside down, keeping the filter moist and ready to use again. If you aren't saving the paint, just throw the disposable cup away. It's as simple as that. And that's the beauty of the Norton Paint System.